Tarantula-inspired gadgets may seem innovative. What if embracing this tech leads to unexpected stress for you and your environment? Picture a sleek spider-like drone soaring through the sky, captivating your attention. However, its design mirrors the unpredictable nature of a tarantula. What does that mean for usability? The dangers extend beyond drones. Consider smart home devices that adapt like a tarantula waiting to strike. They can create anxiety with sudden changes in your surroundings. A shift in temperature or light can leave you feeling uneasy, much like an unexpected encounter with a tarantula. And don't forget the potential for malfunctions. Imagine relying on a gadget meant to enhance your life. This is just an inconvenience. It's an emotional roller coaster that can leave you stressed and frustrated. Now let's reflect on the psychological toll of our dependence on technology. The more we rely on these gadgets, the more vulnerable we become to their quirks and breakdowns. That uneasy feeling in your gut, it could be your subconscious warning you that something isn't right. So before you buy that sleek spider-inspired gadget, take a moment to pause and reflect: is it really worth the potential stress? The allure of innovation should never overshadow your tranquility. Embrace technology, but stay aware of what it might bring into your life. After all, what's more important, the latest gadget or your peace of mind? If you think tarantulas are just creepy creatures lurking in dark corners, it's time to rethink that. Imagine waking up one day to discover that your latest tech gadget, inspired by these eight-legged wonders, might come with unexpected risks. You might wonder what could possibly go wrong with a gadget that looks cool and promises efficiency. But here's the catch: these innovations, designed with nature's most notorious predator in mind, could be more dangerous than they seem. Let's picture this scenario. You buy a sleek new drone boasting tarantula technology, designed for agility and precision. Sounds fantastic, right? But what if this cutting-edge tech malfunctions in ways you never expected, leading to serious issues? As these gadgets gain popularity, many overlook the concerning aspects of their designs. You could end up with a device that mimics a tarantula's movements but lacks crucial safety features. Imagine controlling a drone that suddenly goes off. How would that feel? Now, picture yourself in a busy park. Your drone, inspired by the speed of a tarantula, is soaring through the air when it suddenly starts acting erratically. Panic sets in as it heads straight toward unsuspecting families. What began as an exciting innovation quickly turns into a nightmare. This is just a hypothetical scenario. Real stories exist of people facing this exact dilemma. They bought into the excitement only to find themselves in tricky situations, relying on quick thinking to resolve the chaos. The stakes are higher than ever, and it's crucial to understand why these gadgets can backfire. The very design principles that give them their tarantula-like abilities could lead to unpredictable behavior. Before you dismiss this as overthinking, consider how often we embrace technology without fully understanding its origins. The allure of cutting-edge features can blind us to the potential dangers lurking beneath the surface. So what can you do? First, always look beyond the surface appeal. Research thoroughly and consider the safety measures in place. Investigate how these devices are tested and what real users are saying about their experiences. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect: are you willing to trade safety for the thrill of innovation? The next time you think about buying that flashy gadget, don't just be dazzled by technology, be cautious about what lies beneath. Stay curious and vigilant. Your next purchase could be more than just a gadget. It could lead to unexpected consequences. Make the choice to stay informed. Knowledge is the best technology of all. Have you ever thought about how a tarantula's instincts might shape the future of technology? It sounds a bit wild, right? But what if I told you there are devices inspired by these intriguing creatures that could affect your daily life, and it always for the better? Imagine scrolling through your favorite tech site and spotting a new gadget that claims to mimic tarantula behavior. You might think that's awesome. But there's an important concern lurking beneath that excitement. What if these innovations come with unexpected risks? Let's dig deeper. Tarantulas have an incredible ability to sense vibrations and react quickly, and some tech companies believe they can harness this instinct. But here's the catch: what if these devices misinterpret a signal? Picture this: you're at a crowded event, and your new gadget is supposed to alert you to potential dangers. Suddenly it goes haywire, mistaking a simple vibration from music for something threatening. Panic sets in as you scramble, all because a spider-inspired device misread a signal. Now, consider how many people are using these gadgets without fully grasping the risks involved. The excitement around new technology often overshadows its downsides, and that's where the danger lies. We're so eager to embrace the latest innovations that we forget to question their origins and potential consequences. As these gadgets become more prevalent, the chances for misunderstandings grow. You could be at home. How would you feel if your sense of security turned into constant anxiety? The stakes are even higher when we think about our health. Imagine medical devices using these principles, and miscalculation could lead to incorrect diagnoses, leaving you confused and vulnerable. So, what can we do? Awareness is key. Start questioning the technology you bring into your life. Consider what inspires it. Is it truly beneficial, or could it be a double-edged sword? As we enter this new era of tarantula-inspired technology, remember that the thrill of innovation can sometimes